I guess the first thing I would say is that we have to decide that there are going to be other venues for us to go distribute books into. I believe that we're going to publish a book, we're going to put it into wholesale, and then we're going to put it into the book channels. That is the standard process, and the vast majority of commercial publishers, that's the only route. I think what we need to do is we need to consider other options. We need to consider, can we go direct to consumer? And I realize that always creates lots of problems inside of the distribution channels. Why are we avoiding customers? But until we come up with other distribution routes, we've got to be willing to try other things. The second thing I would say is the fact that we need to be willing to show readers stuff sooner. I think too often we take too much risk with the sort of projects that we end up signing, and we wait 2 years before they're going to reach a given audience, when we could have shown it to the people, to the audience of the author, and the audience of the publisher in many cases, early releases of those books, and tried minimum viable products to know whether or not if we should go ahead with the project all the way through. I think that those are just a couple of examples that I give that I think we have to be willing to look at the business model that we have and figure out, are there a couple of things that we can do to just change it slightly and experiment more.